What if biotechnology allowed us to edit human genes? Imagine a world where genetic diseases are a thing of the past, where humanity has the power to rewrite its very DNA. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Welcome to the age of genetic editing, where biotechnology offers us unparalleled control over the building blocks of life. With tools like CRISPR at our disposal, we are on the brink of curing hereditary illnesses, enhancing human abilities, and perhaps even reshaping our evolutionary path. But should we? Before we dive into the promises, we must confront the profound questions this technology presents. Gene editing has the power to eradicate genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. Imagine preventing these conditions entirely, sparing future generations from suffering. It's a leap forward in medicine that could redefine healthcare as we know it. Beyond disease prevention, gene therapy could repair damaged DNA or enhance resistance to illnesses like cancer or Alzheimer's. The potential for improved quality of life is staggering. But as we celebrate these possibilities, we must ask, could something so powerful also carry risks? Every innovation comes with uncertainty, and gene editing is no exception. Tampering with DNA could lead to unintended consequences. Altering one gene might inadvertently disrupt others, causing unforeseen health complications that ripple through generations. Equally concerning is the possibility of unintended societal impacts. If genetic enhancements become costly, could they create a divide between genetically privileged individuals and those who can't afford the technology? Could gene editing become an instrument for deepening inequality? This brings us to the ethics. Should humans have the authority to decide what is normal or desirable in our DNA? Gene editing could go beyond curing diseases to so-called enhancements, height, intelligence, even physical appearance. Who decides where we draw the line between therapy and customization? Further, how do we ensure that consent is respected for future generations? The choices made today could permanently alter the genetic makeup of humanity without their input. What safeguards should be in place to protect against misuse or exploitative practices? As scientists, we stand at a critical juncture. The promise of biotechnology is immense, but so are the stakes. Rigorous oversight, ethical frameworks, and public discourse are essential to navigate this uncharted territory wisely. Collaboration between researchers, ethicists, and policymakers will be pivotal. Gene editing is not a pursuit confined to the lab, it's a responsibility to the future of humanity. Thoughtful dialogue and evidence-based advancement will determine whether this technology becomes a healer or a disruptor. The power to edit human genes compels us to reflect on what it means to be human. As scientists, we have a duty to explore this remarkable frontier while upholding the principles of equity and responsibility. Share your thoughts, join the dialogue, and together, let's shape a future where innovation serves all of humanity.